Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset, through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We have 3 tools out on show, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money on my personal Ferrari, knowing what I know about these tools. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World for Ferrari vehicles, so they all have a good reputation and a good track record. Now starting at this end of the table, we'll work our way through to the most, from the cheapest through to the most expensive, and as we go through the video you'll generally find that the tools will have more functionality and more ability, but they will also go up in price as we go through the video. But you'll begin to understand that as we start talking about the features and functions. And at the end of this video, if you're still unsure about which of these tools to go for, then please do send us an email. I'll pop the email address on screen there. Send us an email, give us your vehicle information, what you're looking to do with the tool, what coverage or what kind of resets you're looking to do, and we'll check to make sure that one of these tools will be suitable for your needs, okay? I'll pop links to all of these kits in the description below this video as well, okay? So we're starting at this end. This is the Foxwell NT530 Plus. This covers Ferrari vehicles, and it covers Ferrari vehicles for all systems and a range of service functions. Now the service functions depend on the vehicle, but I'll come to that in a moment. So vehicle wise, it's going to cover things like the F430, 456, 458, 550, 575, 599, California T, FF, Scaglietti, GTB and the newer 488. So it's going to cover all things like engines, airbags, ABS, transmissions and a lot suspension systems and a lot of other systems which are within those vehicles. Obviously the newer the vehicle, they'll probably have more systems installed to them than say the older vehicles like the 360. Did I mention the 360? It does cover the 360. But yeah, so the tool's going to cover more in say a 488 than it will a 360, purely because the 488 has more systems installed. It also does like the service intervals as well, so like the oil service, but also depending on the vehicle. So if you've got like a vehicle which has an electronic parking brake, let's say an FF for example, with the electronic parking brake, this tool will allow you to open the pistons so you can remove the brake pads, remove the brake discs and reinsert them as you need to. So it does, you know, a few like kind of little little service functions like that as well. So that's the 530 Plus. Now it does also do live data as well, which can be quite important. So it does live data for all of the systems, so the engine system, the transmission system, and even live data for the clutch life. Now the clutch information that it gives is pretty valuable. Whether you've either bought your own Ferrari or you're looking to buy a Ferrari and you're kind of maybe worried about the clutch life or sort of the condition of the clutch, then this tool will give you all of that information. So this is going to give you things like point of initial slippage. You can do transmission self-learning, you can do clutch actuator bleed, you can reset the wear index. It's going to give you like the clutch wear index as a percentage and also the point of initial slippage. So it gives you information on the life of the clutch, how worn the clutch is, and it's quite valuable information, I think, especially for the amount you'll be paying for the vehicle and the amount it costs to get the clutch done. The price of this is pennies equivalent to what you will be paying, okay? So it could save you from buying, and it could work in your favor if you're buying a Ferrari which where the clutch is near its end of life. This gives you the bargaining power to check the condition, check the wear of the clutch. So it's very, very valuable, okay? So that's the 530 Plus, and then we move on to the X tool D7. So the D7 is going to do pretty much the same as what this tool will do, okay? But this is a tool which is aimed at multiple manufacturers, okay? So let's say you've got your Ferrari but most people I'd probably say who've got a Ferrari are probably going to have some other models as well. And this will do, you know, your regular run-of-the-mill cars like your Mercedes, your BMW, your Porsche, Volvo, Ford, Toyota, Audis, VWs. This is going to do everything, but it does everything in kind of great detail. It's bi-directional, so you can do lots of little coding bits. Again, though, it all really depends on what Ferrari you're in. It's probably better for coding and adaptions on other makes and models than it is Ferraris, because this is going to do kind of the same as what this will do, just for Ferraris. But if you've got a Ferrari and you may be wanting something else, like which does the level of this tool, but also for other makes and models, then the X-Tool D7 is a really, really good option. Okay, so yeah, so that's the X-Tool D7. This, I mean, normally I don't like to put prices on because prices can sort of fluctuate. But at the time of making this video, this is 189 UK pounds, that is. This is 415. So it's quite a jump because it gives you all of that extra vehicle coverage, okay? We then move on to the Autel MK908 Pro 2 kit. This is a professional level tool, okay? So we mentioned that this covers Ferrari, this covers like your Ferrari and all your general run-of-the-mill cars. Let's say you've got a situation whereby you do a lot of, you either own or you're maybe a garage or a workshop that encounters a lot of high-end cars, and the general run-of-the-mill multiple manufacturer tools like this just don't cut it. So this kit here will do all of your Ferraris, your newer Ferraris at a dealer kind of level. Not only that though, but it'll do all of the Aston Martins, all of the well, 99% of the McLarens out there, Lamborghinis, it'll do Teslas. So if you're really needing a tool which just does absolutely everything straight from the box, then this is kind of the tool that you need to really be looking for. Price wise, again, it's all subject to fluctuations, but this is by far the most expensive. But the amount of diagnostics that are crammed into this, it's probably kind of small fry if you consider like you've got a workshop environment or the level and detail of cars that you're going to be working on. So this is currently available at 1995 UK pounds, so just short of £2,000, but it really does pack an immense punch. It also does like the newer Aston Martins, so like with the AMG engines as well. A lot of the standards, I mean, this covers Aston Martin as well, but it only really goes up to like 2017 or 2018 where they changed the engines. So but you need something like this. But anyway, we're talking about Ferraris here. So I said at the start of the video I would give you my recommendation based on what I know about these tools. I've used all of these tools on Ferrari vehicles, and I guess it all really depends on your specific situation. So let's say, for example, I had a Ferrari and I was only interested in getting a tool for my Ferrari. Simply the 530 Plus, I keep forgetting. 530 Plus, yeah. If I had a Ferrari and I had, say, like a Volvo, Ford, Toyota, Mercedes, something like that as well that I wanted to cover, Porsche, definitely the X-Tool D7. Or if you wanted the absolute best and money was no object, or you're a garage and a workshop, then you really need to be looking at this one here, because this is going to cover everything that kind of comes through the door for all of the systems and functions that you'll need to generally kind of prepare for. Okay, so it might be a little bit of a woolly answer, but I think my situation is going to be different to your situation. But what I would say is, I'd say probably most people who are looking for a Ferrari tool for their diagnostic tool, you're going to be in this region here, either the Ferrari just for the Ferrari, or your Ferrari and your other makes and models as well. Okay, but like I say, I'll put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. I'll pop the email address on screen and also in the description, and if there is something that maybe I haven't quite answered in this video, please do send us an email. We can check compatibility for you to make sure that one of these tools is going to be suitable for your needs. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching and I hope this helps.